Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry my voice sounds so off. I've been sick again, so there's that. But I wanted to show you guys some binder mail that I've been working on and I recently just finished. So let me show you guys what's inside this binder mail. So I attached a cute little keychain here. It's just like a heart and it's so soft. This I got from Hobby Lobby. It actually came with these little hair ties or scrunchies, whatever you want to call them, and a couple of gold bobby pins, and it says Love Me. It was just in the Valentine's Day collection, so I hooked that on kind of like as a keychain. The front of my binder allowed me to use up those full-size scrapbooking pages that you get in a paper pad sometimes. So this one just says Happy Valentine's Day, and I put acetate over it and stitched all around it and made it a cute little shaker. There we go. So it's a cute little shaker. I also used some of these little Dollar Tree wood veneers, only because I actually made a boo-boo with the acetate. And I had it like kind of like crumpled up as I was sewing and stitching. So I added those little hearts there, but I think they look good there. On the side here, I did layer it with like some paper and I stitched around the paper. Then I added in some of this cute little trim, then a piece of ribbon, and then I added in the letters K-A-T-I-E to spell out Katie, because that's the person I'm swapping with. And these little foam letter stickers I got from Tuesday Morning. This ribbon right here is from Target, the middle one. This one is AliExpress, that tulle ribbon. Then on the back here, I just put down some glitter cardstock. I did not stitch around that one, but then this one was like a big cut apart that you would find in like the paper packs. Sometimes they have like 4 squares, so this was one of them. And it says sending you lots of love, and I stitched around this guy. And then here on the bottom I just have like my sticker that says KarolinasKrafts. I do have this being tied up with like a piece of ribbon, and if you guys could see here, I did add cute little pom-poms all around here. So now let's get inside the binder so I can show you guys the goodies that I have included inside. Okay, so when you open up the binder, this is what you're going to see. And here in this pocket, I just have 2 goodies. I have one that is from, I think this is from Michael's. These cute little like stickers. Valentine's Day stuff was on sale, so I picked these up, one for the swap and one for myself. And then at Tuesday Morning, I've been loving these cute little mini tassels that I ended up buying a 3rd pack to swap. So I kept 2 for myself, and I'm swapping a 3rd pack. This is the Maggie Holmes collection, and it's Flourish. There's this cute little mini tassels, which I thought were so fitting, and I love the pink, which is why I needed to keep 2 for myself, because I really like the pink. Okay, moving along here, I have this other little card here that you could also find in the big pieces of like scrapbook paper. This one was like a set of like 6 cards, I think. So I double backed it. This one had little heart balloons. I attached little 2-toned bows to this. I have a tutorial on my channel if you guys want me to link it. I'll just link it down below. But 2-tone bows, I think they're so cute. Then on the back side of this, it says you are one cool chick. Again, one of those like bigger cut apart things that you would find in a collection. And I included 3 little coffee cup embellishments right here. Also have a tutorial on these on my channel. Most of the stuff in here I have a tutorial on. I made this cute little heart shaker. So it just has some sequins in here that are from Hobby Lobby. And I stitched around the heart, and it's a cute little acetate shaker. Then I made these fringe hearts. Like, this binder mail was like a really great way for me to use up like those big pages that otherwise you would not use in like making a card or whatever. Like, it really allowed me to use up some of those big pages, which I was like really happy about. And if you guys notice, I laminated all of them because I just think it's easier to take off the embellishments on laminated paper than trying to take them off of like just regular paper and being afraid to like rip it. So I did laminate all of these sheets, and I just used the glue dots on the back to stick these on. But yeah, so here I made these cute little fringe hearts. I think they're so cute. Totally inspired by crepe paper. But they're very cute. Let me show you guys up close. Aren't they adorable, guys? I have a tutorial on these little fringe hearts as well. And let me just show you guys these cute little coffee cups up close while I'm here. Those are cute little coffee cups, like the size of my finger. They're pretty small. And then these were the two-tone bows. Okay, so moving along, we have the fringe hearts here. Then on the next page, we have these cute little embellishments. These are like heart banner embellishments. And I also have a tutorial for these on my channel as well. So I'm including 3 of those for her. Then I included this little, it's like a pocket letter card, but I just cut it up. And I just have like some random pieces in there, but on top of here I have these cute little, like 3 little paper clips. On the back here is just decoration, nothing on here. And then this bottom one, you guys can see it says DIY. So I gifted, I used another pocket letter thing, and I gifted a whole bunch of ephemera that I used throughout all of these embellishments, so she could recreate one of her own stuff. And I also included other pieces that I cut out for her that she could recreate the last page. So I'll show you guys that in a second. Then I also included a whole bunch of rosettes. Now these are 2 different style rosettes, and they each have like a little heart in the middle that is mirrored. I think they're so prettiful. Like, you always need rosettes. Rosettes come in so handy. And then on the back here, we have these other embellishments, little like shakers that I had created for her. She could either use it as a tag, or she could cut off that piece and just stick it on a project. So I have 4 of those, and the DIY thing is actually for that one. So you guys see the little circles? That's going to help her create this look. And then she has a whole bunch of the ephemera. Then in the last pocket here, I just have some stamps for her that I also found at Tuesday Morning. And they are just some Valentine's Day stamps. It says XOXO, hugs and kisses, love, sew in, and then you could put love, love of my life, happy, XOXO. And there's a couple of other ones that I can't see underneath there. But yeah, I decided to gift her that as well. And that's my whole entire binder mail, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing what I had created. It was my first ever binder I created, so I hope I did a really good job. Please let me know if I did. It's my first binder mail ever, but I think it turned out really, really cute, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Please let me know if I did a good job. Again, like I said, this was my first ever binder mail swap, and I had so much fun creating this, mostly because I got to use up like some of those pages that you otherwise would never get to use. That's why it's like one of my favorites, to be honest. I just had so much fun doing this and creating it. It's been a work in progress for quite some time now, but again, I think it turned out really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!